Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Mark Cook's joining me again, and today we're going to discuss when is the right time or the appropriate time to use helical piers for a repair method. We do a variety of services. We do polyurethane grout injection, deep injection. We do helical piers, helical tiebacks, push piers. So what's your experience, Mark? When is the best time to utilize helical piers?
Yeah, a lot of times when we're doing a slope stabilization or a house is having lateral movement, we'll put in push piers down to bedrock and we'll put in a helical tieback to hold the house against the slope.
Mm-hmm.
There's light structures, so you screw in the helical pier and then attach it to the house and then lift or stabilize it. I just did a pool stabilization where we're attaching these concrete haunches and we're stabilizing the pool itself with the helical piers.
Gotcha. So it sounds like most of the time, whenever it's a light structure,
Yeah.
or if we need to do for tieback applications, it's
Right.
going to be a helical pier.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, more likely we'll do a push pier just for ease of installation.
Yep.
And still yield you guys great results. So until next time, stay tuned, and we will see you soon on the next tip of the day.